In this video, we're going to show you how to create a backpack setup, okay? So here's the front of the bag. Go ahead and turn it over. You take the belts off it. You're going to turn it over. You're going to notice you have a loop up top and a loop up on the bottom. Now, you can do it a couple different ways. Here's your waist belt. You want to extend it all the way out, okay? So what you're doing is you're using the skinny side. If you notice, there's a skinny side and there's a side with a buckle, okay? You want the skinny side, okay? So when I say skinny side, they're both the same sizes, but you don't have this to contend with. So you just go through there and back down to here. And the other one, you go back down to there. Voila! Backpack. Now, you can also go through here and hook it to the top here, like so. Now there's a couple different ways to wear it, right? Now, so you're also gonna put this leather belt keeper through here at an angle. What this does is allow you to throw it over one shoulder and sling it over without having it slide through back and forth. I can just actually slap it on like a normal backpack. It's gonna be really cool, okay? So that's one way to wear it, all right? Now, there's two different ways. Mine prefers it this way, all right? Now go ahead and do the other way. Now this way, if you notice, is gonna hold these little ears down like that, okay? So she prefers it's more comfortable for her that way. There's another option here to do this, which is go ahead and pull that skinny side back through, right? And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go through the bottom loop with the skinny side, and you're gonna connect up to the top, right here. Right, now what that does was allow these two ears to go on your back and form like a conforms to your back. I prefer it that way. So it's to each their own. And then again, you have a the extender, if you've got a wider back, such as me, because I work out and my back's huge, is to put it like that. And that way it gives you much more room for burly sort of dudes or females that have a larger back. So then again, what you want to do is take the belt extender or the leather keeper and you put it right through here at an angle. What that does is secure this in place so you can throw it over one shoulder and it doesn't slide all the way through. So here's the strap and here's how this works. This is the leather keeper and you just go through an angle and snap those two together and voila, you've got a backpack set. Awesome. Thank you. Keep watching for other videos. We're going to show you tips and tricks on how to do everything. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.